Create Tinder account sign up and registration tutorial. If you want to create a Tinder account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Tinder app, and this is the kind of interface you will see. So you can create your Tinder account using a phone number or your Google account or whatever else it is that you prefer. You can also tap on sign in with this Google account option here, and once then you can simply first of all choose a phone number, right? So just go ahead and then make sure to enter your phone number that you want to use over here. So I'll go ahead and just finish this process. Now once you receive the verification code, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then basically enter your verification code here and tap on next. Now from here it'll ask you welcome to Tinder and so on. So first you want to make sure to go ahead and then make sure to enter your first name, and once then you can enter your date of birth and make sure that you're at least over 19 years of age. Without that you will not be able to create an account. So you can go ahead and select all of these questions that it asks you to. You can actually skip all this process, and once then you can tap on the next option, and again you can just tap on next. You can finish and setting up your distance preferences. You can enter your school name and anything else that you could see here, and once done you would be able to go ahead and then also enter your photos and upload your photos that you have on your phone, and once done you will be able to finish creating your Tinder account right in this case, as you'd be able to see. And this way you'll be able to create your Tinder account. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.